In this video, we'll discuss the Scikit-learn summarize function using UnifyML SQL. We will run the Scikit-learn summarize algorithm through a UnifyML query. Here, we execute the Scikit-learn summarize function using UnifyML SQL. Now, let's look at a simple Scikit-learn summarize function using a UnifyML query. The Scikit-learn summarize function provides summary statistics of the dataset. Start by specifying the input table and the required input columns. This function will generate statistical insights. There are additional parameters for the Scikit-learn summarize function, which you can explore in the UnifyML documentation. Partition columns specify the column on which you want to perform the partition. Input data types. If you need to change the data types of the input columns, use the input data types parameter. Parallelism. Configure parallel processing settings. Number partitions. Define the number of partitions. Data cleaning. Apply one of four methods: remove row, remove duplicates, remove outliers, or fill. For fill, if you need to replace null values or modify any data values, use the fill with values option. Data scaling. Scale the data using one of four methods: min-max scaler, standard scaler, normalizer, or binarizer. For min-max scaler, specify the minimum and maximum scale values. Input cache ID. If your data has been previously saved in the cache, you don't need to mention the input table. Instead, use the input cache ID. Bytes per chunk. Define the byte size per chunk. These are the key input arguments for the Scikit-learn summarize function. Adjust the parameters based on your data analysis needs. Run the query, and it will execute on the back end of the UnifyML server. The output will include summary statistics for each column, such as row count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, 25th percentile, 50th percentile, 75th percentile, and maximum. With this method, you can easily generate summary statistics for any dataset using the Scikit-learn summarize function. Thank you for watching this video.